All right, y'all, this is the first day of my ketogenic diet. And the purpose of this diet is to heal me of insulin resistance that I've been dealing with off and on for a few years now. All right, to start with, we have mixed greens on the bottom, which is kale, sweet potato greens, which is sweet potato leaves from my garden. We have dandelions and we have lettuce. On top of that, we have cucumbers, red onions, cherry tomatoes, and nuts, walnuts. And that will be topped with salt, pepper, and this dressing I made, which is a vinaigrette, if you want to call it that. It has, lime juice, white distilled vinegar, and a combination is a blend of avocado oil and hemp seed oil. Okay. And this is my baby. Look how tall she is. You can tell I like avocado. Let me take that back. I love avocado. Whew, tastes so good. But that's guacamole. On top of 8 ounces of pastured, grass-fed, pasture-raised ground beef, organic. Inside of the guacamole, I have, of course, avocado, have red onions. We have lime juice, salt, pepper, and what is that? What is that stuff called? Whatever the green stuff called, I forgot what it's called. It slipped my mind. Anyway, yeah, cilantro. I'm sorry, y'all, cilantro. So anyway, this is the first day on my ketogenic diet, and this is feast number 1 out of 2. All right, I'll get back with y'all, keep y'all up to date. One more thing before I go. My current weight is 188 pounds, and my body fat percent is around 13%. My waist is 33 inches. All right, now I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, so now we have the second meal on day number 1, and this is about 5 hours later. It is now 6 p.m. Anyway, so of course we have again 8 ounces of beef, ground beef, and we have chard, we have kale, we have dandelions, and we have sweet potato leaves again. And also in here we have hemp seeds, we have walnuts, we have red onions, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and also salt, pepper, and lime juice. And I think this makes about 1,100 to 1,200 calories. The first one was the same. All right. Anyway, let me go and eat before it get cold. Holler back at y'all on the next one.